Hi, hello traders. In this video, we are going to see about a full fundamental analysis of a particular stock as well as a basic technical knowledge which we need to understand before making an investment for a particular stock. Previously, in one of the video, we have discussed about our positional indicator which is posted in the previous video. You can also watch that video, and that indicator is more accuracy for a positional trader, and now we are going to make it more accuracy before taking a positional entry. What are all the main criteria we should see for the particular stock, that will be discussed in this video. I wish every traders to watch this video till the end. If you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates, and whatever informations we are going to post in the future, it will be received as notifications for you. As a basic to know about the particular stock, we will be seeing our indicator signal, which is the previous video we have discussed about this indicator. You can watch that previous video. Sure, you can understand surely how accuracy this indicator is working. So the JJP positional stock strategy, this is an indicator where you will be getting only the buy signal. So this buy signal, how to identify is very easy. You can just create the alert for the particular stocks, whatever the stock list you are having in your watch list. You can just create the alert, you will be getting a notifications. Otherwise, if you are having a list of stock list you have already decided as in your watch list, you can just give the inputs of the particular stock where you will be knowing whether the long signal has been came or not. So the buy signal has been came or not, you will be easily notified in this watch list. So now for creating the alerts also, you can do this process. You can just create a watch list of Nifty 100 or Nifty 200 stocks or Nifty 50 stocks or F&O based stocks or cash based stocks. So if you are having the watch list here, one by one, you just click on the particular stock and click on this three dot more button and add alert. So I am just swiping out. So this is our indicator. So I am just clicking on three dots and add alert, and after that I am just creating alert. So like this, one by one you can create the alerts for all the stocks. So whenever the stock list, that means the stock is alerted. So today if the stock is alerted means today the signal has been confirmed. So in the day end you will be getting the alert. So for this stock you can see it. So like this, if the day end the signal has been confirmed means in the next candle we should take the position, right? So at that time you just do the fundamental analysis in the night itself, because in after market close you will be getting an alert. So after that you can just go to the particular stock. So how to screen, you can use our screener, this screener website. So this is a open platform, so they are providing the fundamental details of the particular stock. So if I am just want to know about the Bharti Airtel, I am just typing the name and I will be getting the basic information about the particular stock. It is a telecommunication based service stock, so you can understand whether the segment is okay in the future. Will this segment grow? You can make some basic analysis and know about the particular stock, and you will be getting the advantage as well as the disadvantage, that means the pros and cons of the particular stock, whether the stock is performing well, and what are all the fundamental positive news there for the particular stock as well as negative news there for the particular stock. It will be listed based on the rules which is inbuilt given by this screener website. So they have given some criteria to be displayed here, so you can also watch it, and you should not believe 100%, but you can make some. If you are getting more stocks to 10 stocks or 15 stocks, you can filter it out with this type of conditions of fundamental analysis as well as some basic technical I will be discussing here. So this is the positive and negative news, and after that you can scroll down and you will be getting the quarterly results of the particular stock, the full stock, how much tax it's, as well as net profit, every details year by year you are getting here. So you can see the growth of the particular stock, how it's moving on, and it will be fully saying you the fundamental details of the particular stock. After that, once you checked with all these criterias, if you are okay with the particular stock, then a small analysis I am just going to say in this video. You just open option chain of the NSE. So just type stock options, otherwise you just type just option chain in any browser. You just type option chain, you will be getting the NSE option chain. So now I have opened the NSE option chain. So now you can see the defaultly it is showing you for the Nifty. So Nifty index options chain it now we are seeing. So if you want to shift it to other stock options, so now we are going to do the analysis in stock options. Basically every stock does not have the stock option, so some of the stocks only listed in options. So for that stock only we can do this analysis. So if you are seeing the stock with the cash segment, or if now only the stock is came from IPO and now only it is listed in the stock market, means that stocks will not be having the option chain. So only F&O based stocks or Nifty 50 based stocks or Nifty 100 based, so this type of stocks you will be having the details of option chain. So some of the stocks only we can see this analysis. So this is a basic analysis where we can know the implied volatility range. So as per that only I am just going to make the analysis. So for example, I am just taking Bharti Airtel. Go to the select symbol and type the name of the particular stock. So I am just clicking on Bharti Airtel. So now I am just choosing the current week expiry. So next week is 20. So now it's monthly. So for stocks you will be getting only monthly expiry. So I am just choosing 25 January. So the current week, that is nearest expiry date. So now you can see the ATM strike is 1010. So from this you can easily analyze the dark range will be defining you the ITM range, as well as this dark range will be defining you the ITM range. So actually we are going to see the OTM strike price range. So for example, here for call option the OTM will be starting from here, and for put option the OTM will be starting from here to here to upside and downside. So now I am just going to take the IV, that is implied volatility, which will be deciding the volatility range of the particular option. So I am just taking it the average value. To take the average value of the current 5 OTM strikes, I am just going to calculate here. It's a basic calculation. You can just take a calculator here. Okay. Now you should make some small analysis that it is 22.19, 22.35, 22.42, 22.09. I am just typing here 22.19 plus 22.42 plus 22.35 plus 22.09. So almost I have taken 4, right? 4. Okay. Plus 22.33. So I have just doing the average calculation. It's very simple. I am just taking the 5 OTM strikes IV value and I am just dividing it by 5. So I will be knowing 22.306 is the put IV value average. So I am just taking this IV value separately, 22.306, and I am just going to for call option. So for this I am just making another. Okay. So here the IV value is listed 20.51, 20.79, 21.39, 21.48 plus 21.93 divided by 5. So now I am getting 21.22. Now it shows that this call option IV average is 21.22 and put option is 22.3, almost 22 point it's there. But now you can easily analyze that the call option is not range into for buying. Only call option is the main basic to make the stock to a buying position, and put option is will be moving the option to, that means the stocks to sell position. So now we can easily compare that this stock is not eligible for this criteria because the call option average of IV is very low than the put option. So this is a basic confirmation that this stock is eligible for buy or not. So now it is not okay to buy. Okay, so because the call option weightage is not there, so as per the IV average we can easily calculate there is no call option weightage than the put option. If it is higher means it is good to buy. So this is one confirmation. After that we just need to do a small analysis now also. So I am just typing put call ratio. Put call ratio. You just type it on any browser, and after that you will be getting the put call ratio in IIFL DMAT. So here the IIFL DMAT providing the put call ratio. So now you just open this website that is from IIFL. Only we are getting the reliable put call ratio. So we are getting only for some stocks here. As well as I am just going to give option for stocks. Just close it. And in put call ratio, whatever the stocks which is having the good PCR OI, put call ratio of OI value, if it is less than 1, if the stock is less than 1, then it has the capacity to have good buy momentum. So that is what the main calculation here for put call ratio. This is another way of analysis. You just make some extra confirmations with this type of with this confirmation. So previously we have seen option chain as well as our stock signal, as well as we are going to see put call ratio. So before taking the trade in NFO based stocks, you are going to see this type of analysis. So it will be very helpful for you, because if the stock is trading very low, so now you can see 0. I am just having the first one, it is 2.24, and I am just again shifting on. So now you can see the lowest value is 0.31. Supply is having a good capacity to buy. So the buyer's ratio will be very good, as well as the buy momentum will be very good. As per the put call ratio, we can easily find whether the ratio is good or not. So now 0.31 is very low ratio, so it's good. So the selling will not be happen. The buying pressure we can expect more. So this is just for educational purpose, and it is not a confirmed entry whether this stock is going to be a good stock. So all the so more and more we are making a confirmations to our trade. So previously we have already taken a good indicator, and through that indicator we are taking the positional trade for all the stocks. So after filtering out, if you want to filter any stocks means, you will be getting screener website to filter out the stocks. And after that, if you want to make more confirmations, you are going through option chain and do the IV average value. And finally now PCR, that means put call ratio OI value I am just taking. So put call ratio OI value will be helpful to find whether the buy momentum is there for the particular stock. So making more and more confirmations, and after if you take the trade, sure it will be a successful trade. As much as we will be discussing more fundamental details in the next videos also. In the further we will, if we post any stocks related video, we will be discussing more and more. Until that, stay tuned. Subscribe to our channel. If you have not subscribed to our channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Sure, we will be meeting on the next video. Thank you, traders.